Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTecher. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the top 5 ways of avoiding your OnePlus Nord 2 getting blasted. Yes friends, recently there is another incident has been reported in the OnePlus Nord 2 user where the phone got blasted and you can see the person has been severely injured at this moment. And few of the users are really concerned about the OnePlus Nord 2 and they did message me that can you please give us the tips and tricks how to avoid OnePlus Nord 2 getting blasted. So if the company doesn't respond properly, or maybe if the company didn't recall these units, then if you don't have any kind of other option, if you want to use the device, then try to follow these top 5 tips which a lot of giving on the OnePlus Nord 2 users, especially when I am trying to use the OnePlus Nord 2 as well for myself. So these tips will be really helpful for a lot of other users who are actually worried and scared to use this OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment. And please try to participate in the community voting as well regarding the OnePlus Nord 2 should be recalled or not. Even I am trying to do my best to support the OnePlus Nord 2 users. So hopefully you should definitely understand friends. From my side I am trying to do my part, and from your side you should be trying to do your own part by retweeting the exact same tweet whatever it has got, and try to use the hashtags like OnePlus Nord 2 recall or something like that in the Twitter. This can be also helpful. So first thing, let me try to give the one of the best tip is that always avoid using high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. Do not use high performance mode continuously. This will definitely put a lot of pressure on the CPU and the GPU and on the phone. The temperatures will increase really higher. So the main cause for this kind of blastings can be the high temperatures. That can be while gaming, that can be while charging, that can be while normally maybe under the direct sunlight or something, those kind of things. Only under high temperatures only the phone tends to get blasted similarly. So that's the reason always try to avoid using high performance mode. Don't use unless it's necessary, because if you try to use high performance mode, so what happens is that all the 8 cores, as you can see, all the 8 cores will be exactly at 100% of the level. 100%, yes friends, as you can see clearly. So even if you're not touching the screen, even if you're keeping the phone in ideal state as well, all the cores will be exactly 100% if you try to enable the high performance mode. So you may think this is a kind of normal thing because high performance mode means 100% of the utilization, but that's not the case in other phones. Other phones I do have like Realme phones, Realme GT Neo 2, Realme X1 Max, Realme GT, a lot of other phones. They do have the similarly high performance mode option, but their phones won't be exactly 100% always. This is some kind of another thing to be concerned, because all the clock speeds are running 100% all the time. That should not be the case. Now if I try to disable the high performance mode, try to observe what happens next. All the clock speeds will decrease immediately. As you can see, all the clock speeds got decreased. So the utilization will not be higher and the temperatures will not increase higher. So always try to avoid using the high performance mode. That's the one tip which I can actually give you all. As you can see friends clearly what is going on. And next thing is about charging. So this is another thing about the charging thing which I thought of mentioning for a lot of other users. So when you're trying to charge the OnePlus Nord 2, do not use the case. That's another tip I can actually give you. Do not use the case, and do not keep the phone on any other cloth. So do not keep on any other bed or blanket or anything. Don't keep like this and charge the device, because if you keep on the blanket or maybe on the bed, what happens is that the heat will definitely increase on the backside. That may cause also a blast. So avoid keeping the phone charging on a blanket or on the bed. Try to keep on the flat surface. Okay, try to maintain this kind of tips while charging the device, and if possible try to remove the case and charge the device as well. That can be another thing, because the heat dispersion will be there from the phone from outside. If you keep the case, sometimes the heat can be inside the case and phone as well. That's another reason. So try to not use the case and try to charge only with the default adapter and cable. Do not use any other adapter, any other cable. That can also cause another battery blasting as well. So do not use any other cable, any other adapter. That's another tip which I can actually give you. And next thing is that while gaming and while high performance mode, if you want to use, try to buy some gaming cooling fans which are available in the market. So this kind of cooling fans, try to always use them while gaming. In case if you plan to game, this will be another protection which can actually give for the OnePlus Nord 2 in case to avoid the overheating in this device. So that's another advantage which the one you can actually have using this kind of cooling fans. That will definitely, I'll try to highly recommend you guys to buy one of the cooling fan. Any cooling fan doesn't matter, but always use a cooling fan and game. That's what I'll try to suggest you to do it in case if you did not buy any other cooling fan. And always remove the case while playing the game, and use the cooling fan. Don't keep the cooling fan on the top of the case. It doesn't work like that. So it should touch the phone. That's the reason. Always try to keep the low temperatures in the device. So try to buy one of the cooling fan, which will be definitely helpful for the OnePlus Nord 2 users. That is what I do believe. And next thing is that always try to keep track of the temperatures what your phone has got. So right now, as you can see, when the temperature is of 29 degrees Celsius. So I'm trying to use this application, which is a thermal monitor application, which is available in the Play Store. You can download any other application as well. Doesn't matter, only this application. But my main purpose is to keep a track of the temperatures. How much high temperatures the phone is going at this moment. That's the reason. Every time when you try to game or when you try to use the normal, you will be able to know how much temperatures the phone has got. So should you stop using or should you continue using? In this, we will be able to keep track of the temperatures in the OnePlus Nord 2, and you will be able to avoid the phone getting overheat and getting blasted as well. That's another thing. The next thing is that avoid keeping the mobile phones as a mobile mount, GPS mount under direct sunlight. Even when you're driving a car or maybe driving a bike, that can again increase high temperatures in the OnePlus Nord 2. So always try to maintain this kind of tips and tricks which I can actually give you on the OnePlus Nord 2. So usually what happens is that in the OnePlus Nord 2, the temperatures of this phone increases even with the normal usage as well sometimes. That's the reason, friends, why the OnePlus Nord 2 phones are getting blasted. I'm not sure why it's happening and why the company is not taking this kind of thing as a serious thing. And by this time, they should have done something. At least they can do some kind of inquiry or they can do some kind of investigation on the OnePlus Nord 2 models, what is going on. But they haven't done any of those kind of things at this point. And I'm not sure when will the next incident may happen. So please try to follow this top 5 tips and tricks which I thought of just giving you. So first is, don't use high performance mode, and next, you charge only with the default cable and the adapter, and don't try to keep on any other blanket while charging. That's another tip. And try to use the gaming coolers every time whenever you try to play games in the OnePlus Nord 2, gaming coolers. That's one more thing. And always monitor the temperatures what your phone has got. Try to install from the Play Store any other application to monitor the real-time temperatures what's going on. And next is, don't keep under the direct sunlight while driving as a GPS. So these are the few things, friends, which we should definitely follow on the OnePlus Nord 2. Now we need to be slightly kind of careful with this device. Even I'm not trying to do much intense testing, which I used to do in plenty of other phones. I'm not trying to do with that much kind of intense testing on this device. So unfortunately, so take care of your health, friends, and be safe. And let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. And definitely I would suggest the OnePlus should recall at this point the OnePlus Nord 2 units. That's what I'm expecting, because before someone getting seriously injured. So what if the phone got blasted while talking on a call? So this incident may happen to the face as well for someone else. So just imagine this much of huge injury happening to face, how it looks like. Maybe damaging the brain as well because of the injury. So you need to be very careful, friends, with this blast incident, what is happening at this moment. That's the reason I thought of making a video and letting you know what are the tips you can actually follow. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.